Hello, Dicey review of this battle report. Some sort, I don't know. It's going to be Dicey. Here we go. So Dicey and my buddy Daniel was playing. I am Dicey, and he was the defender, so he was the red ones. So in round 1, he has the shield and the dagger set up, and I was the attacker. And okay, so the victory condition, the Gauntlet. Escape is the only chance of survival. So he has to run to this edge here, I choose. And he will win the game if he get 50 or more of his crew over. If he doesn't escape with everything, I win. Clean and simple. And round 2, he will get the hammer crew in from this edge. And I will get my hammer crew in from this edge. This is my shield and this is my dagger. So you have 3, you know, it's departed by 3, and you have to mix and match and have miniatures is in every group of them. So this is how we are setting up, and the twist was bitter revolves. So the leaders got extra strength to kill the other leader. So let's see how this is going to be. So we are going to see the setup. So here is his shield and daggers up and running, and this is my shield and daggers up and running. So he has to escape over here, and I have a crew coming in from this side. All right. So the first start here is actually going to just run with everybody here is running off the table. So already there he's almost winning. He is running with this guy also out, and the only one I get to stop is the leader of his warband, and I'm going to take him with my I call him Scorpion, and he's going to cast a harpoon in him and drag him to him, because I had a triple 6, so I could drag him all the way across, get some hurt on him, and I follow off with the leader coming in, and I'm just setting one up here, so he has to disengage if he wants to move. And it was a really good carnage. And here you see some crazy dice. It is the round 2, and if he win the initiative, he was getting this one running out the table. So if I didn't be able to kill this one, he was going to win. So let's just see this little clip here. Round 2, and let's see here, and we have to roll off. And if Daniel wins, he wins the game. He just run off with this guy, and yeah, it's game over, man. So yeah, round 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's a 2, and what do I get? Yes, the game continues. Oh. All right, so the game continues. My son was watching, so yeah. And so basically I stopped this guy from running out the table with my pussycat, and then he comes in with the remaining crew of him running down the table, and I'm just trying as hard as I can to stop them from running. If he gets 1 miniature off the table, he wins. So he used rush and stuff like that to get this one off the table, and he is able to get a clean run past everything. And it's so close. It is like, you know, just so close, but he can't. And I get my pussycat straight up in there, and I get 2 damage, 2 damage, 2 damage, and 5 damage, and that's enough. And my little beast of a pussycat is just like with a dog toy and shredding him to pieces. So close for Daniel to win. Whew, what a game. WARCRY is fun. That was game 2. So I get my revenge from him winning the first game we ever played. So yeah, more to come hopefully. Like and subscribe and everything like that. Hey!